Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Proton VPN Plus. This is going to be a detailed tutorial. I'll walk you through Proton VPN's interface, show you how to connect to a server in order to hide your IP address, among other things. I will also explain the various settings available, such as the different VPN protocols, as well as the kill switch and split tunneling features. So first, what exactly is Proton VPN? Proton VPN is a VPN service that ensures a secure and anonymous internet connection, allowing you to browse privately, bypass geo restrictions, and protect your data from cyber threats, among other benefits. A VPN like Proton VPN lets you browse safely by encrypting your connection and hiding your IP address. This helps protect your privacy by preventing third parties, such as ISPs, advertisers, or cyber criminals from spying on or tracking your online activities. Proton VPN has a network of over 15,000 VPN servers spread across 122 countries worldwide. In addition to online privacy, the service also aims to protect you against malware, unwanted ads, and other potential threats. Proton VPN is available on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. You can also use it on a smart TV, a game console, or even a router. They have even launched an app for Apple TV. One last point, you can use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously, which means you should be able to protect all your devices with a single subscription. If you're not yet subscribed to Proton VPN, you can use our link vpn-club.com/proton or click the one in the description below this video to take advantage of a special offer. With our link, you'll get a 64% discount, so just $3.59 per month, cheaper than a coffee at Starbucks. That's the equivalent of 11 cents per day, a ridiculously low price, considering all the benefits a VPN like Proton VPN offers. Proton VPN also offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. You've got absolutely nothing to lose. Here is Proton VPN's interface, which is modern and fairly intuitive, making the service accessible even to beginners. You can quickly connect to a server from this map or from the list on the left. There are plenty of countries, in Europe of course, the UK, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Belgium, Switzerland. In North America, the US, Canada, Mexico. In South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile. In Asia, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia. In Oceania, Australia, New Zealand. Let's try. As you can see here, my IP address ends in .134. It shows that I'm located in Nice, France. Let's choose a location, the UK for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And there we go. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from the UK. I refresh this page. And there it is. I now have a new IP address, which places me in the UK. It's different from the one I had before. So Proton VPN successfully hid my real IP address. My new IP makes it look like I'm in the UK, when in reality I'm still in France. So let's imagine I want to access a service that's only available in the UK. I can now do so. Any website I visit or app I use will think I'm in the UK because I have a British IP address. I'll disconnect. Of course, there is also a search function to look for a specific country or cities. For countries with several states available, like the US for example, you can choose to connect to a VPN server in a specific state. I showed you how to connect to a server on the Windows app, but it works exactly the same way on macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS apps. Now let's talk about settings. There is an ad blocker called NetShield, which protects you from ads, trackers, and malware on both websites and apps. There is a kill switch, which disables the internet if the VPN connection drops to prevent an accidental IP leak. This is a safety feature to ensure your personal data doesn't get compromised and that you stay private no matter what. It's especially recommended when downloading via peer-to-peer. There is also a port forwarding option to speed up torrents and online games, allowing supported local apps to be accessible from the internet. There is also a split tunneling feature, so for example, if you want to use a VPN for torrenting but browse the web via your regular internet connection, you can add your BitTorrent client here. Another special feature, Proton VPN offers a secure core option which routes your most sensitive data through their most secure servers in privacy-friendly countries. In General Settings, you can change the interface language, decide whether Proton VPN launches automatically when your operating system starts, decide to connect to a server automatically when the app starts, and much more. In the Protocol section, you can choose between several protocols: WireGuard, OpenVPN, and Stealth. WireGuard is a modern VPN protocol that has outperformed OpenVPN and IKEv2. In terms of performance, it uses state-of-the-art encryption, is lightning fast, and user-friendly. It's your go-to protocol if you're looking for high speeds. Use it for heavy downloads, online gaming, and streaming. OpenVPN is the most common and secure protocol. It's an open source protocol that adapts to all your needs. Use OpenVPN to secure your information, especially when accessing online banking or when connected to public Wi-Fi. Stealth protocol, on the other hand, is designed to make VPN traffic less detectable, particularly in environments where VPNs are often blocked or monitored. Mainly used to bypass restrictions in countries or networks with heavy censorship, it disguises VPN traffic so it looks like standard HTTPS traffic, making it harder for firewalls or detection systems to identify and block it. So you can choose whichever protocol suits you best. If you're unsure, just select Smart and Proton VPN will choose for you. There is also a VPN accelerator option, which activates a set of technologies to boost performance and increase speed. Very useful for gamers, I recommend trying it. In the advanced settings, you'll find plenty of interesting features, such as alternative routing. If Proton VPN services are blocked due to network restrictions, they'll try using alternative network routing. You can also allow LAN connections to allow connections to printers, speakers, and other devices. You can set custom DNS servers, so you can connect to Proton VPN using your own DNS. You can also change the NAT type, choose between two OpenVPN network drivers, allow IPv6 traffic to pass through the VPN tunnel, prevent data leaks by blocking IPv6 traffic that doesn't pass through the VPN tunnel, and decide how the operating system handles DNS requests attempting to go outside the VPN tunnel. So there is something for everyone, from beginners to advanced users. You can also create profiles to connect to a specific country or even a specific server with a specific protocol every time you use that profile. So, if you're a beginner, don't worry, you don't need to know all these settings. If you're downloading via peer-to-peer, I recommend enabling the kill switch feature. If you're having trouble, for example bypassing a specific geo-block, you can try switching to a different VPN protocol. The other settings, aside from the general ones, are more for curious and advanced users. Just a reminder, if you're not yet subscribed to Proton VPN, you can use our link vpn-club.com/proton or click the one in the description below this video to take advantage of a special offer. With our link, you'll get a 64% discount, so just $3.59 per month, cheaper than a cup of coffee per month. That's the equivalent of 11 cents per day. Proton VPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to try it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You now know how to use Proton VPN Plus. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you like this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks and see you next time.